If your Steam download speed keeps dropping to 0 bytes per second, don't panic, because in many cases this is not actually a broken internet connection. What's usually happening is that Steam is downloading compressed game files and then it pauses for a moment to decompress them and write them to your drive. So the speed may look like it has dropped to 0, but really, Steam is just catching up on disk usage. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to stabilize Steam download speeds for 2026, speed up stuck downloads, and reduce those frustrating pauses. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. The first thing to do is clear the Steam download cache. This is one of the most effective fixes when downloads seem stuck or keep dropping to 0. To do that, open Steam, click Steam in the top left, go into Settings, then choose Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will ask you to sign in again afterwards, so just log back in and continue. This can often refresh the download process and fix weird issues caused by corrupted cache data. Next, go to Steam storage settings and repair your library folder. In Steam, open Settings again, then select Storage. Choose the drive where your games are installed, click the three dots next to it, and select Repair Folder. This is important because Steam needs proper access and the permissions to write files to your drive. If the library folder has minor issues or permission problems, downloads can slow down, stall, or appear to stop completely. After that, we're going to give Steam a higher priority in Windows. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager, then go to the Details tab. Find Steam.exe, right-click it, and set the priority to High. This tells Windows to give Steam more attention when it's trying to write files to your disk. If your system is multitasking heavily, this can help Steam stay more stable during large game downloads. Now let's move on to the network side of things. Sometimes the problem isn't your drive at all, but a connection issue with the Steam content server. To reset that, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Then type the first command ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press enter again. Once both commands are finished, restart your PC. These commands help clear out bad or stale network data that can interfere with Steam downloads and cause those sudden drops to 0 bytes per second. Another important fix is changing your Steam download region. Sometimes the server you're connected to is overloaded or simply not giving you the best performance. In Steam, go back to Settings, then Downloads, and look for Download Region. Try switching to a nearby city first, and if that doesn't help, test a different region entirely. In some cases, a less crowded region can make a huge difference in download consistency. You should also check your bandwidth settings. This may sound backward, but limiting your download speed can actually help Steam stay more stable. If your internet is much faster than your hard drive can write the data, Steam may spike and then crash down to 0 bytes per second while it catches up. A good rule of thumb is to set the limit to around 80% of your maximum speed. For example, if your connection is 100 megabits per second, try setting Steam to around 80,000 kilobytes per second. That can reduce spikes and help maintain a smoother download. If you're still seeing drops, it can also help to close any extra apps using your network or disk in the background. Browser downloads, cloud sync apps, game launchers, and even Windows updates can compete with Steam. The fewer things fighting for resources, the more stable your Steam downloads will be. So to recap, the best fixes are clearing the download cache, repairing the library folder, raising Steam's priority, resetting DNS and Winsock, switching download regions, and limiting bandwidth if needed. One of those steps usually solves the problem, and sometimes it only takes one quick change to get everything running normally again. I hope this guide helped you fix Steam download speed drops to 0 bytes per second. If it did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.